Hello friends and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel. Today we will test the Stochastic RSI trading strategy. The Stochastic RSI indicator is a technical analysis indicator used to determine whether an asset is overbought or oversold, as well as to identify current market trends. The Stochastic RSI trading strategy will be explained in this video and get tested for 100 times as usual with $1,000 account. The test will help us decide whether we should consider trading with the Stochastic RSI indicator or probably use one of the other trading indicators and strategies previously explained and tested on this channel. The Stochastic RSI indicator is popular among many professional traders as it is useful for day trading strategies and could be used in Forex, stocks and basically any technical analysis or market. We are also responding to a request made by our subscriber Foed Amar. Feel free to suggest any strategy you want us to test on our channel in the comment section. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to our channel to see us testing the most popular trading strategies. Let's move to our laptop.
The Stochastic RSI trading strategy is simple. When the crossover occurs below the 20% level, we will only consider buying. On the other hand, when the crossover happens above the 80% line of the Stochastic RSI indicator, we will only look for sell opportunities. We will also use the 200 exponential moving average. When the price is above the 200 EMA, we will only look for buy opportunities. On the other hand, when the price is below the 200 EMA, that means that we are on a downtrend. So we will only consider the sell orders. Let's look at some examples. We will be conducting our test on the Euro-USD pair. It is definitely my favorite pair for testing purposes, as it has a regular volatility, and the values of the average true range ATR are not extremely high like some other pairs, such as the pound-yen. Let me know in the comments section if you want a video about the relationship between pairs and how to choose the right one that suits your trading strategy as well as your monthly target. The Stochastic RSI trading strategy could work on different time frames. I personally prefer to trade on the 15 minutes chart. But we will work on the 1 hour chart today and aim for more pips. A general rule in trading is that the longer the time frame, the more reliable the signals would be. As you drill down in time frames, the charts would include more false signals and noise. To be safe, traders are advised to use a longer time frame in order to define the primary trend of whichever pair they want to trade. I will fast forward the video in order to save time. You might reduce the speed if you wish to see the setup. We have started this YouTube channel 1 month ago and have tested over 5 strategies, and we are currently working on some new videos that I am sure you will enjoy and could give you some new insight about the trading industry. Most traders lose a lot of capital before learning how to manage the risk and close the month with profit. Besides strategy testing content, we will also make content about the trading journey. I noticed throughout my experience that some traders lose their capital because they buy signals or deal with an unregulated trader. We will be sharing some tips on how to avoid such challenges. Please make sure to like the video if you enjoy the content in order to support us. We would like to thank everyone who interacts with our content and suggests that we test his or her own strategy. I always feel glad reading your comments and contributions. To support us, kindly like and subscribe to the channel to encouraging us testing more strategies. Trading Forex can be a great way to diversify a broader portfolio or to profit from specific FX strategies. Beginners and experienced Forex traders alike must keep in mind that practice, knowledge, and discipline are key to getting and staying ahead. Before you enter any market as a trader, you need to have some idea of how you will make decisions to execute your trades. You must know what information you will need to make the appropriate decision on entering or exiting a trade. Some people choose to look at the underlying fundamentals of the economy as well as a chart to determine the best time to execute the trade. Others use only technical analysis. Whichever methodology you choose, be consistent and be sure your methodology is adaptive. Your system should keep up with the changing dynamics of a market. If you want us to test any strategy in particular, feel free to let us know in the comments section. Experienced traders say the first thing any trader should know about a market is the trend. A market can only do three things. It can go up, down, or go sideways. Trend lines are an important trading tool for identifying and confirming the trend direction. They can also help predict areas of support and resistance and help traders spot important chart movements and significant price points. Trend traders attempt to make money by studying the direction of asset prices and then buying or selling, depending on which direction the trend is taking. If the trend is upwards, with prices making a succession of higher highs, then traders would take a long position and buy the asset. If the trend is downwards, with prices making a succession of lower lows, then traders would take a short position by selling. Trend trading isn't exclusively used by day traders because you can keep your position open for as long as the trend continues. However, if you are sticking to intraday dealing, you would close it before the day is over. The results will be shared soon in this video. While waiting, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't be missing any updates in future. We have got plenty of trading strategy testing coming up soon, and we are currently working on a video that will discuss one of the most common issues or challenge faced by new traders, and it was one of the two elements that made me become a profitable trader 4 years ago. The video will be released as a celebration for our first month on YouTube and the 1,000 subscribers family. The stochastic RSI oscillator was developed to take advantage of both momentum indicators in order to create a more sensitive indicator that is attuned to a specific security's historical performance rather than a generalized analysis of price change. The stochastic RSI indicator deems the situation to be oversold when the value drops below 20%, meaning that RSI value is trading at the lower end of its predefined range and that the short-term direction of the underlying security may be nearing the low of a possible move higher. Conversely, a reading above 80% suggests that the indicator may be reaching the higher extreme and could be used to signal a pullback in the underlying security. We have just completed the testing of the stochastic RSI trading strategy. The process took around 1 hour 20 minutes. Kindly support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel if this is your first time here. This will encourage us to make more videos in future. After 100 trades, it is now time to reveal the results of our experience. It's important to record all the trades in a journal as it will allow you to improve the strategy in future. Based on our journal report, we have managed to make $960.6 profit at the end of the stochastic RSI trading strategy. The success rate was 57%, which means for every 100 trades made, 57 of the trades will end up hitting the take profit level. Kindly notice that we were implementing a 1.3 risk to reward ratio. Our balance increased from $1,000 at the beginning or the test to $1,960.6 at the end of the experience. Based on the results, I can tell that the stochastic RSI trading strategy works. However, the strategy is not as profitable as most of the strategies we have previously tested in our channel. Other than that, I have recorded 6 consecutive losing trades by the end of the experience. So, it is important to use a proper volume and stop loss level in order to protect your account. By the way, we have released a new video recently where we experienced trading with 2 accounts, one with stop loss and the other one without it. The results were overwhelming, and I recommend you to have a look at the video next. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.